Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to become successful in affiliate marketing. This is going to be my honest advice. After doing this for a really long time, I can speak to how to be successful on affiliate marketing. And I want to bring value to you guys and teach you guys the ropes on how to actually having some success in affiliate marketing and making your first dollar online. Now, a lot of you I know are not making money online and you would like to be successful at affiliate marketing. So this is the exact channel you want to be a part of, because I will be sharing exactly what I'm doing right now to make some really good income with affiliate marketing. So that's what this video is going to be. All right. In a recent poll, I asked you how much money you make online. I received 176 votes and an overwhelming 61% said they make $0 and they are still trying. I want you to believe that it is possible to start making money online. You can build a real business online, but you must know where to start. Here are some of my affiliate commissions over the last 30 days on multiple platforms. You can see it's over $11,000. Click the first link in the description to get started on this journey for free and finally get serious. Now back to the video. So a little bit about me. If this is your first time on my channel, I believe it's like 70% or more of the people that watch this channel are not subscribed. So make sure to hit that subscribe button right away so you don't miss out on all this content coming from a professional affiliate marketer. And for those of you that are new, I'm just gonna spend one quick minute here just to explain what I'm doing online to be successful and a little bit about myself. And then for those of you that have been following my channel for a long time, you guys will already know. So about me, I've been working at affiliate marketing for around 10 years. It might be even longer than that. Now, I went full-time in October of 2020. So life is really, really good. I've been the happiest I've ever been in my life. I get to write my own schedule every single day. I don't have to report to a boss. I don't have to do reports for other people. I used to be an actual director of an inventory department at my company. That's the job that I left, and I was making a really good, substantial income. But I always had the dream to be my own boss and build an online business. But I had to hit a certain amount of money before I could leave my day job, and so I was able to finally do that. It's been about a year and maybe 4 months now. And like I said, it's really, really awesome. And that's the number one thing that was my goal, was to have the freedom of choice, the freedom to do what I want with my time. And it wasn't just about the money. It was actually about more than that. It was about the freedom that it would afford me. And I've been able to spend the most time that most dads don't get to spend with their kids. I've been able to stay home with them during this last couple of years. We all know how difficult that has been. I've been able to help out with the family, all while building my income up, my online income, and actually setting new records every single month. So it's been really, really cool to see that. So, but I will say that it did not come easy for me. Okay. And you got to follow this channel. I'm going to reveal a certain golden nuggets to you guys, but I already understand the struggle is real. I know a lot of you have been trying to make your first dollar or trying to make money online. And I'm just going to say it right here. No, it's not easy. So you can't just be successful and make money, consistent money. You might put out a promotion and yes, I made a sale or something, but we're talking about the consistent hundreds of dollars a day of affiliate marketing. You're going to have some different strategies put in place. And I'm going to try to kind of go over these ones. I think it's about 7 or 8 tips that I will be giving you right now. So let's jump into that. Actually, before I do that though, let me just show you, you can see on the left side of the screen, this actually isn't all my income. I just whipped up the biggest ones I could think of. And this is how much money I made in January of 2022. So this is very fresh. And I'm tracking, actually doing even more than this right now. I'm tracking $13,000 in February of 2022. So this is real I could log into all the accounts and show you right now. I'm not going to do that in this video, but I'm thinking of doing some income reports for you guys as well. Drop a comment below if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, because I would only share this information with you as a motivation factor, not as a bragging type factor. I wouldn't want to make any of you feel bad by just by bragging about the income that I'm making, but I use it only as motivation. I know that when I watch other income reports from other YouTubers and affiliate marketers, that it really just motivates me. It's like, whoa, that's possible. Okay, they're making $25,000 a month. I want to hit that goal now, right? I want to hit that. And so I used to watch all the YouTubers that were making 10K a month and thought that I was so far away from that. Like, I just want to make my first 1,000, right? And most of you are in that area right now. And I'm speaking to you. You want to make $1,000 a month, right? And then you can dream of making $3,000 a month and 5,000 and then so on, right? Well, it was a year ago where I was like, whoa, I'm way far away from there. If I could just make $10,000 a month with my business online, then I'd be golden. It'd be amazing. And guess what? It actually has happened. I worked my butt off and it happened. And now I'm at this consistent income level right here. And you can see right here that over $9,000 of that was directly from affiliate marketing right over here. So impact, that's affiliate marketing right there, 4,300. I'm not considering YouTube ad revenue. That isn't really affiliate marketing. Pay Kickstart is 100% affiliate marketing. So those are sales, right? Commissions. I'm sending traffic to an offer and I'm getting paid a commission for that. That's the basis of affiliate marketing. Okay. So that's Pay Kickstart. Then Rank IQ is a software, and I sold $1,700. This is income in my pocket, $1,700. And then, like, you can see Etsy and TPT, those are not affiliate marketing right there. It's about almost $600, but that is not affiliate marketing. And Warrior Plus, that's affiliate marketing, almost $700. Now I can dial this up and make thousands on Warrior Plus, which I have. But I've dialed back from there and focused my efforts on some other things. And so things that will be even more evergreen and more of an online stable income. Warrior Plus is great. And I'll definitely put up videos on how to actually make money with Warrior Plus and doing launch jacking. And I have some videos on my channel teaching you how to do that. And that works great, but it doesn't sustain itself, right? Much like some of the other things that I'm starting to get into, but still, nonetheless, it is. And then HBA is an affiliate marketing company as well. So let's keep moving forward. Whoops, I accidentally forgot to change the slides right there. Okay, so let's jump into my top affiliate tips, okay? So we're going to pick a niche, right? You need to pick a niche that people are passionate about and that it is profitable, okay? So you could go into, I'm just gonna kind of use an example. If you go into under basket water weaving, something like that, right? Well, if there's not a market, if people aren't going and buying the kits to do that, or there's only 100 people on the entire earth that are into underwater basket weaving, okay, then there's not going to be enough market for you to penetrate. There's not going to be enough sales that are going to come through. You're just not going to be able to be successful to make enough income. We need to reach the 7 billion people on earth, and the more people that are into a certain category, niche, or topic, right? And so obviously the larger the topic, the more competition there's going to be, but competition also brings a lot of money to be made with it. Okay. So you just want to make sure that you are actually in a niche that people are passionate about. And when they're passionate about something, then they're typically going to spend money on that niche, right? So you can market all day and bring in traffic, but if people don't spend money in that niche, then you will not become successful. You're just not going to make money with it, right? And then you kind of will be wasting your time with it. Okay. So, and I'll try to come up with some actual videos. Each one of these could be a video of its own, but this one is more of a just all tips based type video. But maybe I'll make a video on each one of these as well. Leave a comment below if that's something that you guys are interested in, so I can get very specific on how to pick a niche for affiliate marketing. So pick 1 or 2 traffic sources. This one's very important. And a lot of people get this part wrong. So I prefer organic free traffic like YouTube, blogging, and social media, right? So you cannot master 10 sources of traffic when you are starting out, and you will just overwhelm yourself. I literally focus mainly on YouTube and make a full-time income from just one traffic source. Let that sink in a bit, okay? And I do have multiple monetized YouTube channels. So it's not just this channel right here. As you can see, I haven't even posted on this channel in the last month. I've probably posted 2 or 3 videos or something like that. This was my primary channel. It's no longer my primary channel. Some of you are members of another channel that is really taking off, and you can replicate this. Once you know how to do this and build a YouTube channel, you can replicate it, and you can make it what you want it to be, and you can make it profitable. So the point of this is that you can definitely dive in and give it 100% on one platform. If you choose TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, blogging, anything, and go all in on that source, and you can make a full-time income just from the one source. And once you master that, once you have finally gotten to the point where you have a little bit of extra time, then maybe you can tap into another source of traffic. But I don't recommend going in and you need this one and this one and this one and this one, because you're going to exhaust yourself trying to publish to all of those platforms on a daily basis. And first of all, you're not going to even have a good quality, because it's hard to have high quality and post on that many traffic places. And then you're also going to spend all your time on publishing that, when you could be out creating more content for a channel that you can actually focus on one. So that's a big recommendation. So you need to become a content creator is my next tip. Okay. So the only way to become successful at affiliate marketing is to create a ton of content. It must be valuable content. Let your valuable content do the selling for you, okay? I cannot reiterate that enough. I'm gonna put myself over here. I cannot reiterate that enough. So you are going to need to let that sink in. And whether you're going to outsource your content creation, like if you have a blog writer and you're building a blog, that's fine. But you've got to be consistent in creating content and publishing it. That is what brings traffic, and that's what brings I call it warm traffic that is has more of a chance to become hot traffic, and then purchase your product, right? And so the more content you put out, the more valuable content you put out, and the more consistent you are with that, the more chances you have to make sales on a daily basis. Okay. So release content consistently. I kind of said that in there, but come up with a content schedule that works for you and stick to it. I recommend a minimum of 3 videos per week. That is, if you're choosing TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. So I recommend a minimum of 3 videos per week. In your first 6 to 12 months, I would literally aim for 5 videos per week. This is if you are on YouTube or the blogging route. If you are doing social media, then you actually need to post multiple times per day, Monday through Friday, if that's going to be the traffic source. So learn something new each week, okay? So don't spend all your time in education mode. Pick 1 or 2 people that resonate with you and that you want to follow and learn from, and you feel like you trust, right? And watch their stuff, learn and implement, okay? And then get to work. You have to get to work after you learn your 30-minute lesson for the day. The most valuable way to learn the business is to learn from real world experience. So if you just are in education mode, I bought this course, I'm in education mode all the time, and you spend 8 hours a day watching videos of other people that are successful, then you're not going to be successful. That's not going to do it for you. You have to go out and start that blog and put that first article on your website, right? You have to go out and actually create a YouTube channel and put the channel art up and come up with a logo. And that's what you did that day. If you only have an hour, cool. Come back. Then the next day, you're going to write out your first video. What are you going to do for your first video? Then maybe after 3 or 4 days of planning, you actually get to sit down with your camera and record a video. And it can be that slow in the beginning, right? But you're moving forward on a daily basis to get that first video up, instead of just learning and learning and learning. And you can have all the knowledge in the world, but if you don't apply it and actually just go and take action, then you're not going to be able to be successful with affiliate marketing. Okay. So that's a huge tip right there as well. So stick to your game plan for a year. This is huge. Okay. So, yes, you heard that correctly. You cannot throw in the towel on a method until you have worked at it consistently for a year without results. I may not be talking specifically about a traffic method. Obviously, you can try a traffic method for a couple of weeks or a month and maybe make a pivot or something like that, right? But I'm talking about like the strategy. If you're choosing YouTube as your affiliate marketing strategy, don't give up on. You need to give it an entire year before you have enough data to say, okay, this is not working for me. I need to move and make a pivot in my business. Okay. So almost everybody that tries affiliate marketing bounces from one method to the next. So they never get to truly see results or see if the method actually works. Okay. So you do not get overnight results. That's just me being completely honest with you. You do have to earn it and work for it. Okay. So, last couple tips here is pick a strategy that you enjoy. Okay. So, you will not be able to keep your skin in the game, if you will, if you are not at 100% all in on the strategy. Example, I spent almost a year working on low content books and found some, and you can see from my income over there, I'm making like 600 bucks. Back in November, I made over $1,000 from working on that business. But guess what? I was never passionate about it. I never really enjoyed it. I was doing it as a make money online business strategy, which is fine. But I recommend finding something. If you really do love making the books and doing low content, that's great. If you then go all in on it and create and design and upload every single day and don't stop until you're making thousands of dollars a month. Okay. But I found what I'm very passionate about, which is YouTube tutorial videos. And so once I realized that I love making the videos, I'm doing something that I love. So it's not even like, it doesn't even feel like I'm doing work, right? And then I stuck with it and it's paying off in dividends, right? So find what you're passionate about and use that as a strategy and a model to begin your affiliate marketing success. Okay, so once I focused on affiliate marketing and stuck to it, since then I was very passionate about it. My business blew up 10 times, and I can vouch for that. Probably a little over a year ago, I was maybe making $1,000 in affiliate marketing. And then once I decided to go all in this last year on it, now I'm making over $9,000 a month specifically from affiliate commissions, right? And making $10,000, $11,000 a month with all my business combined. Super cool stuff. So never give up. The final tip that I can give you on how to be successful with affiliate marketing is to never give up. If becoming your own boss through affiliate marketing is your goal, then you need to get the right mindset, okay? You cannot have a plan B. You must be all in, be consistent, and never quit. Yes, you will have to make pivots and adjustments on your journey, but always be moving forward and you will find success that way. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to click the first link in the description to get the free training which teaches you how to start an online business. If you got value from today's video, consider hitting that like button and dropping a comment below. See you next time.